Bajo Oka Casabi said, I could see quite him. No, Bajo, when you're in Casamafubi. Tama, no any Casamafono. Your coin in your 23%. Tama, I'm quite quite so Muno. Yeah, Casai cry in Casano, in a lawyer for in your 37. Now, more, if I was quite in more so in the Casamafono. You hear when you're 23. No. One man cut as a customer Kennedy, a man cut episode of Casamano. Sanka Kennedy, Ocasamano, Uncle Mia, lawyer, and Ma Bonte, and Macase, Kennedy, Wajai, and Colorman Casama for one because of Wajai. Dear Tinan, Union Ababonte, because Kennedy was free NPP. Until I told you, Casa, you a case of Sia. Sanko Casamano, the uncle, or the Buffa was the quartier so. And Yanko Union Babonte, Abeka. And from now going, I was quite or can't be a Muslim who on Casama Kennedy be a chum. Thank you.
Assembly to chair assembly. Anything no ya fanda no. Assembly okai ana mama meka bintu aso. E pa o mo bofa yewura Kennedy ho ne say. Aye 2023 a wonya 37% no. Na 2026 o mama no 23% no. Na ko mo nim say the political aspiration nyina o mo aguno. Etina ato adapatwa almost say echa no epese o kire say wonye obia anya nyame sunsun konkron ene nananum bawura ye wuroti bosum no say ene pa ewoni mu no meye pie ene na edi base ye abai ene nti se obi biara ni ho a woye political anaso woye politician bi te say akompreko na obenya edom say ese ye tawachi no no anani tua ade a ye de ye pa akwasi edika wo mo de ye darko farms akoko darko no bugu ni nyuma na pa akwasi de no ye mududu na hui omugu ye na obi ane efre na adwuma wura omoma no beda ne de e ka wura e wo Ghana ebi sapo no na no maba afa akompreko Oman se ndiye mapapa waya ma omu nyina mo amunim atemdidi a omo sase eti ko mu di natem no mama yawo aba besenimu na ka obefa so kra afre ne nkwa na epo no mabọ no akombenya no ma sen ne njuma eti se pa akwase na yese yen the base movement Ghana no omo transfer yenom de besi ani e wa Ghana Mempesa meka bibi achiachian. The boss movement, me say Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, oka ho. Eye movement oka ye ho. Onye ni fu firi mu. Eti oka ye ho. Eti obi anadwunu mu dobia no. Na so wo party mu. Na so party member bi ekuo kase bi te se base. Ese ye do o member bi na yesi ebebo amasa member na ba be president a so ye amayoku a wadwunu mudo a obobo nsema ma sa member na go forward edo say emano no and it say o yes our party na say o ye wadwunu say obeyi sa member no agi a ye the base for say so omutimi yi na gi a ye bobo ye nsem amba won na so much ye be from mamunatu no mu yini ma yeso a ye be dawo ma say because Kennedy no yeso opompo ye ya mamre ni amane ye pese obi bedi hia ye kote no etu opompo emre bi beba base ye be kwa kote no e di na se ono ankasa ni fie enanson that's right asane ye yina pie that's right ese ye ni ba be de ye ehino wa Ghana ye diagro adie no Kennedy na ni bra brena we eye Ghana first o enye party bia first o me say ye de be Ghana first enya party bia first ya ni abre o ja say ya ka say every 1992 Ghana mamo sanya base ye hu no eto de bia na party e front kasa to NPP ni NDC obia ya wase yaso ansuo ani yaso ansa ani ehun de emodu base for de ye de ye say from 1992 sa party mi enu am yaso ansa sa chamamo no abo aduru ba bia kika bi kire wase eto mo ba radio so na adande atamdie meboa atamdie kwa because aduru kika bi kire wase na amani hunu galamsey a esensuo galamsey a esenua enwamumwa ewu no omo nwene ho omo ba radio so a atamdidie ene kika bi kire wase nkwa esansa amamo na ede abose vom afei ana omo ba be so a ensuo that's right na mas e kwanya e faso bu oman no bo na omabo no omo ni so ate on say wine anything at the base here ba. And so definitely you could see that we are well structured and we know what we are doing. I say whether they like it or not, Kennedy Agyapong is coming come 2029.
Assurance been all the way say second one here press conference because of the base Ghana Omuchere say omo be mo the letter asemo say wo omo na maso obi na say
Edikai send amote say joy is coming the base you know maba
that's right
na say you can't such movement for Ghana many penyini pa etina awasa memeba na meba kire say akompreko ne fuaso etienua penyin Alan ene cheda 2024 year no mo yi omuti no me a meji o mo kan no se me ma ba na me de me ho abedom a omo so beba na omo so di omo ho abede abedom esa so omo nyina ye nkrofo a adwene ne nyina ayede Ghana first ba sambre no eye ahobrase ene kabom no sunsum ne ahoode no ejina yewura Kennedy ohene Agyapong so ene ti o se ye nyina ye ba ne di ahoode ne indie ebeta na ti esan Ghana first enye ne ye leading nti ne mom Ghana den first na samre no eye mra eye yewura Kennedy ohene aden Agyapong o kwesi na tosu mienu eye mekasa me potoye no ene nya mekan you see the base movement your headquarters ewo Tesano Accra ene ti obi biara ni ho obeka so obehwehwe yen asevo yen a onhu yen eti besremo san ya no we me pese meka nti na mekasa mon meka say enye kiso concert party bi ana yeye we are serious organization a ye pese ye babe govern Ghana ye pese ye babe sire amamo papa ewo Ghana ene nti no nyama bi wo ha ye ya no na yen a ye di ka ko register yen na wo a wo ba akire wo so wo di ne aba befa what is asem we bi da ene nti na meka say aja yewura asie dun katia ka say sabi kwasia bia betimi di asema kokot nya sa enti waka me say say emramu abebuo na senim na wo say wo babi say achia emuye eso yase de ase akasebo nia yewura asie dun katia ka say kwasia bia timi di asem kokot no emramu asem de esen ni nyina ye ka the base a ye nyeso ne Ghana first na wako o say enu na yodi what we be that ye say the base movement aye ba tan kese a opese akuoku ahodo bia ebeba mu ebi te say ye nua panyi Alan kuo ebi te say chada bokuo ene ada akuoku miami kuo so amede abeka ho ni nti no eliti na ye yi position bia free o so obi obeba bia no no de ne ho aba beka committee no na ye nyina ya adwuma awo base ni mu na atimi aboa ama hawa hodwa Ghana so no atimi akọ anything ya dissolve position bia no esan say obi asabi wonim no the base movement no enya meye political party yenyem political party na mrepamu no obi awonyem a mrepamu no ye den owo ye kasi so dua so say ye bewo yehu obata bia owo pe na wawu ebia say nya sa na tie eti say the base kra na ye wo a political party a the base a na nanom sunsum ebewura otibonsu embuti bae no base no bekoso agina ho political party a yebawo no obadane babawni a ye yankasa ye bepamo no sane be ya Ghana be den ebekoso enti the base no de enya de aye den yeji agro ekra mo amonim no esa se echina nantie yi baso yenti no momututu a mo wahai mudi adanse the base bus and nam baby bebre wa kumase ya bronu bebre eso fan krofo omo mufri bantuma eko ekrom omo mufri atonso agogo omo mufri krono omo bakrom bas na fawa obi a enye enye obi asika ofa ne de free ye we ama santiman ahu say the base movement no sebe anya agro bi na ye de yedi yani abre so oman ya pese oje oman su o na compre ko so ya de ne beba. The base movement also me amejina officer Dr. Tibonsu me de corpo say boa mejina 2012-2016 independent presidential candidate samre na Ghana for en sama America no monte ba samre aye dia compre ko ba no en sama ye kan bia o mate ase ni site no ye yankrofo a ye wonimdie enkrofo a ye ni abre na ye pese ye members nyina edan subapa edi etinya agro bi na ye de ye di enye sini bi na ye de ye twa enye ni bia na ye pese ye kire de Ghana fo ye ni abre esan se nyema ekoso wo Ghana no aye ni momye se Accra se ensu a eyiri efa nkrofo se nkrofo omuwu se ajapadia ase na mabusia fompo nimi se mabakumase abra jelisi no mo freme na mse onyame adom babia e wona nsuo ni yenyina ate asema compre kwaka e asema ya kan dadaada yenim solutions a ye de beba asane mawe abra ye kasa asemwe esa said the base mpanyimfo nyina ebi na gina ya chi ene ye fanda ye nyina ye Asante mamu a esa say chena dwumadi aye ba bedi nti enti eni Accra senkrafo hu ye a ne sa say ye dika aba Asante region a wasa dwumadi ni santi no ye de nkra ema wona wona busuafo awu wona wasre niema esa nso yiri awon crime afana nyina yema kusakuse yema modue ani amane hu ye se won process base ye ba sa ensuo na eyiri efa nkra krom odona abribia abaya o mabaso esi ye betim yadane opete na ensuo to bia ye se ekina ye besi ye dan eso sa dan ye odona no yentimi entimu no a akompra kumpo akase obi a wakọ abrochiri wakọ UK wakọ Germany ehu se ensu a etese subia bida ha ene odon na edaha no omo di boat nam so edane ede tourist attraction ye beye bibisa ye betimi aye etisane ma ne na ede ese obi biara se ye momodue na me ya adom na se ye wie work we a yesusu ye ne nimdie efa flood ho no ye de ebetudwa etimeka ade atwa ato no mama benka biem nyanti a yetonsa efremo yatonsa afremo say mobana mafudie so atonsa afre obi biara a wa santimam o wa Ghana mam eno omo a esa na santimam work nti omafra aeroplane ade eba nyina ese ochina nyame boa ochina efiada bosome so that tosomiensa the base movement papa no the base movement papa no ebe nanti wo asantimamu ha yentwa bibiem yeni adaje eneti ye bompa ye se omo mo di aeroplane ba omo boy amane so om di aeroplane ba omo di lorry every all the regions that work Ghana almost one person omo ba ye mambo nyina okwan so kose se otweja mpomfo mo meduru hanu masundiem na etina ye nyina behu ne besi e wasantiman yenim se ensem ya ye kan osoro afa asase so age so ekunimdie ewo ho ema the base movement yadamwase the base power yaje omagana yeden yadamwase.
We were talking about some distraction during the presentation. I want to know what kind of distraction have the movements encountered with
all of us, we know very well that there's an imitation group calling itself the base Ghana First. And let all of us be knowledgeable. The base movement was first registered before the base Ghana First. And legally, it is right because both are legal entities. But the base Ghana First was registered with a form of deceptiveness for other members who are affiliated to the base movement. And so when we came in, we sat down with them, and that is why they withdrew from the court. But as all of us know, we know that these political parties will always send moles among such movements such as ours.
That's right.
And so definitely, we anticipated some of these things. And that is why we have actually dissolved all positions within the base movement. And just judge for yourself. If I, Jacob Osei and Dr. Oti Bonsu is leading the base movement, judge for yourself. Others, look at the national executives behind us. Some are former commissioners within our security forces. We have great colonels within us. Can it be compared with others? We have lecturers. Tomorrow you will see lecturers and professionals all participating in our work. And so definitely you could see that we are well structured and we know what we are doing. I say whether they like it or not, Kennedy Agyapong is coming come 2029.
Now some by young Tuan Council from and now you got a neck meeting NPP Akoto. Deeper basic minority caucus in Parliament. One more the petition about you are among individuals to be the petition about Adanya Yenny Yura Kennedy Agyapong Expósed Yamfanamra disciplinary committee ama and power referring to disciplinary committee. Now and watching your own video be a new baby boys so come and go a group near front of the idea the say
Come to the border and the point to the
Kennedy Agyapong NPP.
Man pretty for the visa.
Pretty for na cancer day.
Finish Ken Agyapong NPP. Man pretty for the visa.
Man pretty for na yes sir.
Make me a more moving number.
Mebo. Lawyer. Was it Kennedy Agyapong NPP was there? Man pretty for na yes sir.
Make me a more moving number.
Health for pain. Why gynecologist specialist? Oh no! And now what kind of same abon yet seen for?
Ah, on a year.
Did not tell us Sabra now we are doctor no. A draw now the many pakrana, woman. In the name of damn Abuzak, about the federal.
And when you'll be as man into the floor.
Papa ni mu a wabɔ ne bra doctor.
Baby mpempen so would do a bra bomi.
Former MP for Nshia so. And about to Macau. Former MP. Party Peninfua. Sabre party ni pesika kwa ye or on a private hospital. A catch a party for say. Week be a second Friday. Edma may no. Monko hospital, one mobile calculation, no more discounting. I'm off a party.
Nipo do party say.
Oh, your papa penny. Hey! What did dinner them?
Obianca, now what to work, no.
I like 10 people in ye.
Oh, Dabby. Hey! Obichevi. Nipo, I'm
them 1 people in ye.
Ah! Yeah, Papa Akufo party
near friend Jenny Boateng.
Oh,
and I never see. Former General Secretary of the NPP. What is what on it?
Oh, now I ran an idea in Yamiwa, another an idea in Bemiwa. At the ma party, see a fanya party, Juma. When Yam Webia, if you be anti. And it didn't bear my party day, Mansa. I say, Akufo. Go, my penda Akufo. Near my Teresa. Didn't bear money on Abu J. Mansa. Every woman for prime minister or contesting a contact. The part of them did you bear by? And it then answer some.
Then answer. And the penny fear.
Into a most woman party.
Lini fie.
Hey, menase papa kumunti mi siesie wo fie. Chese de bia mo di babedwem.
Kwala na atia simu.
Aje party na boso. No man kenkan party na mamre ne wo constitution. Ehu wo machiwade.
Hwe baafo Akoto. Dr. Akoto fie. Former agric minister. Ne papa mu. Ene ayi otumfo no ma wo muska. Betu otwana na ma wo muska.
Otumfo no.
Se wo mu fante NLM, National Liberation Movement. Emwana na be PMPP. Edu baby, otu for party ninti obutu. Ba for kutakuni. Adan ya what the party or the menhia e ko chairman nso mu. Enti otu for chairman nu ye butu na kuni.
Amra no so ma ho kwan sa. So they are hinting be Rama no say.
Nyade and NPP Suban said, one party but what be so good dinner.
Hey, maybe TBM I serious over.
It's way palm, one Musa for that we are. The new
need shad ye say.
Said a hold of cannon. So only doctor and yet a dinner will be a one. You did penny moon what I'm
saying. What drain? Ubet me at what your bra wouldn't yet him. Nay, and your penny be a man in Tiano. Yentime choose any panason. It's a bed and a full frost with here. One also has 1 year the same thing.
That question was say.
Oh,
wow, can't say cook say. Uncle did one body honorable Kennedy Agyapong.
Ah, you
what? What say would you be on a show? Who did the honorable Kennedy Agyapong Expósed? That year, one to know, yeah, come out, was so young, I share no. And our friend just a crash, men smile, second commission.
Tia,
men smile, so one cut the other on us, man.
No, why, dear? Silence means what, and your consent. I don't know mine. 20 years, the children was here, you are some you know, and Chilemus and Yawa, and Tiani Parmanaya. No one near the bed, I go and come. I don't see a deal with your friend, this committee. Ah, did it, Dr. Annan, your friend is going to Nana and I'm Hofa. Party, I'm say, but making you offer. Maintain free honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Okay, friend. Sika or spending your prime minister. It would be a more head in my mom, one franco. Every $100 million. As is Uncle Photo. The man is the businessman. It's $100 million in the crown. And the money some mobile son. Mobile Bibiatiano. Sabuja Yananka. Papa no de 10 million beer for every region be a factory. And can't walk on for. Ah. Is it called shame? Or tiny connection. But more than $25 million. And a rare campaign. It was weird. Now, or till baby. Now, or Jane who are. Assembly ban or can someone. Come on, some, everybody not. Eti, Macasanam say, Sana mo yemi, Esadia Tiami, Mudi and Chirigumi Krum. Now, me say, and yet 2027, and no plan me, if say a fiasem. Sir, may can a son and Camuso, Sabimunia da honum, never be a hodma yet to me about Bekawi. Oh, now, dear son, come to me, I can any time. But then I'm a day say chiri. Majao, we are Majao. Hey, would you want to a banner for Majano? Ah, yes, would you move yes, and let's see and wouldn't have. Oh, be a person, Jano, one more woman here. Woman here, it's a papa in one day, and a moon friend on an interest here. Pam, I thought my day. Well, if you were you, fear way. Well, I've been here back a book long, and if you had the big kit to be. And now, my Madam, now, what's an hour? Matthew. Then, Mr. Whatever my check in my yen. The way Uncle for Yenny at 2 way, a fearful for Yenny, dear. Boba, a water west one so came a chair, Yenny, the any of your so, Bobasa for Yenny, says, I want Jaffa. Move to the Panama check a dilly, you baby at that way. That's how it's a cure. A cry and a doom found that. I put it. I am me, quite ask what I was with what I was. They ask what. That's why I say what I can answer not baby and arbitrary and one arbitrary one a life one. Who try crying one. Now, Mammy, why wouldn't your penny Kennedy Agyapong Expósed? Now, some by a young twin council so and so form. And now, a quarter neck meeting NPP, a course of deeper basic minority caucus in Parliament. One more the petition about you are among individuals to be the petition about. Adanya, Yenny, Yura, Yura Kennedy Agyapong Expósed, Yanfanamra, disciplinary committee, Ama, and Power referring to disciplinary committee. Now, and watching your own video, be a new party boys, the business, come and go. A Kweku Annan, funny at the idea, the Chagui, as you say. Comfortable water, I said the point to be there. The big ones are one people that Kennedy Agyapong NPP. Comfortable water is that. Who is the one that I can't say? Kennedy Agyapong NPP.
Man pretty for na ya.
Man pretty for na ya sa.
Make me am mo na number.
Mebo. Lawyer. Mo say Ken Agyapong MPP wo ja man pretty for na ya sa.
Make me am mo na number.
Share wadauruma. Share wadauruma.
Say, man pretty for na ya. Make me do number.
Organa hen na hwan.
But say make me do number to number.
Man pretty for organa hen na baby do be a number man.
Omo call on boy no mo call.
Ai. Ade ye wi afọ number mama.
Make me do number to number.
Na wo so omo ye man pretty no omo ka man pretty so man pretty kasa.
Well, we do number now. Don't you need me?
I dana so me am bra me wofa won kan so jai enti wo ka so jai ni ade ade eno no yentie ni sei
Tell me can't mama can am boy.
Waka MN
Yeah, tell me can't mama can Japan out am boy.
Debi so ni anu ba ta bia wo adwene na wo ka Prof meet Hello. Agaraf. Producer friend be mama.
Enti say no mo pe party na mo nye. Ken Agyapong. Also be pa mo Ken Agyapong a. No problem. But me can we me say can be. Ken Agyapong or your popular chamber Bawumia outside. Let me tell you. Emre bi obi a onim enti na me can NPP asema ayana me ya because mo yes am ye wo name 2024. Me Bawumia or your madamfo me penasem. Me ni na hia one on one me catch there no enti na opema asem no Bawumia Dr. Bawumia na damfo pa ni me opema asem pa me so me penasem pa ada o hia me ka de enti Owusu ye onim enti ana nkrofo e kan sem bi se na na janto ampe Bawumia asem a o mpe Bawumia asem nchen me e na Bawumia so pema asem pa enti se wo ko na wo didi me matem because o person protect Bawumia you are wasting your time me say o mpe Bawumia asem nchen me but you see MPP party no enye say na Akufo hye party no the way Akufo ma party ni akono no party ni nya akono masa babiem Ken Agyapong delegates in penasem a eno nche say outside penasem hwe me say Ken Agyapong otimi appeal to the floating voters enti we MPP ni na otiwa na ye ma Ken Agyapong kwa me say Ken Agyapong ka say on kasampo a ehuma mo o ka say ehu an ka say ehu me say MPP for na mo amuntinsim outside enye delegates mo between Dr. Bawumia and Ken Agyapong mo amuntinsim na mo nyam rese na mo hu de bechu so no Ken Agyapong yo dumfu kumfu or a necessary evil enti kamene Dr. Bawumia utieti nkofo dabi kame menya nkasati debi wo hwa no afre Ken wo ho ene de me ne Samira ne me menya ebebo titi ye bedidi wo ho you must show leadership go there John Dramani Mahama yewra Kojo bonsu mi ame papa Kwabena Agyarko Professor Joshua Alabi omu nyina ne contest ye omu to abani wie ye na wo hwa no asia wo ene hwe Professor Joshua Alabi ona na ye campaign manager for John Mahama a odi wi ni ye yewra Kojo bonsu se on ne ambassador China yewra Kwabena Agyarko ne ba a watete no politics mu ene yewra Franka mo akohene look at it one for bibia nshom to watimi di o ma ba say ye nyina ye NDC for ene Kennedy Agyapong no so a waka kakra na Emma party no haya akono no mu didi na tem mu chichabo no and NPP for bia kan se munu kire no me say no problem mopa munyi Kennedy Agyapong ono he's got nothing to lose but I can bet my last coin say mu succeed MPP for muntie me say kabiem ene e dabe 6th of June me say kabiem mu record say NDC MPP for kotenase na mo say Kennedy Agyapong ya pamona me Bible amesum MPP masa 41 okra munya mu dem mark on the wall opa me say mark it today say MPP for here say Kennedy Agyapong o ma pamona no problem but I can tell you say 41 na Bawumia nya in kra onya in 2020 mark it.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.